and gentlemen, and ideology. We are representing USS, overviewing and presenting our smart obstacle avoidance robots. What is a robot?
A robot is a machine designed to perform tasks automatically, often replacing human action or function.
Robots are capable of performing tasks with high accuracy and consistency, reducing errors and ensuring high-quality output. This is crucial in safety and electronics and automated manufacturing. Robots are applicable in the following industries: manufacturing industry, healthcare, and agriculture. The material needed for our robots is a microcontroller, a small computer that we're going to scope and control the robots. And then this is how it looks like. For a surface to mount all our components, we need our curling shell custom. This is how it looks like. For the movement of the robot, we need a motor. DC motor. This is how it looks like. Ultrasonic sensors. This is how it looks like. Universal couple motor. This is how it looks like. Power need a battery. This is how it looks like. So, because of time, we've already mounted some of this on the board, and our engineers are build the remaining parts of the motor. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the motor driver. These are the DC motors.
This is the bulb.
The universal bulb. Now we're going to mount the wheels. Then we mount our Arduino Nano extension wheel. We're going to tighten the screw to the copper keylet. Then we add our next screw. And we tighten it again. Now we do the same for the remaining two parts.
They're going to do a move closer so that you can see very well. On to the next one.
Next then we'll add our Arduino Nano. Now we make our connections. ultrasonic sensor from VA73CC to VA7. Straight to A4. Echo to A5. Ground to ground A7. Now we're going to check our connections again, not to make mistakes. VCC A7. Straight to A4. Echo to A5 and ground to ground A7. Make connections with the driver, motor driver. So V1A to 5, V1A to 5. B to A to 6. Ground to ground 0. VCC to C0. A1A to 9. And A1B to 10. Now let's check our connections. B1A to 5. B to A to 6. Ground to ground 0. VCC to 0. A1A to 9.
Sorry.
We're done with our connection and now we want to learn that.
Continue. Press it in very well. So connect.
Next. As you can see, it's avoidance.